Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change text color on any section in Shopify. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to the Shopify website. So here let's head on to our Shopify store. Now let's click on login, and then it will redirect us to our Shopify store. So once you reach here, you can see we have an option to customize our online store. So we are provided with various options over here. So you can see you can customize your online store by clicking here, or else you can just go to the online store option from the left hand side of your screen. You can see the option for online store. What you have to do is go over there and then click on this online store, and once you do that, here you can see we have various features over here. So now what we can do is we can go to this theme and then click on the customize button on the right hand side corner. You can see the option to customize this theme. So what you have to do is click on this customize option, and once you do that, you are redirected to a page something like this. This is your store page, what you will see on your final store page. So over here you can see this is our store page. So for example, if I want to change the color of the text of this subscribe to the email, what you have to do is select this text, scroll down until you see this option for custom CSS. So once you do that, just click over here, and here you can see we have some code, and then we have the color code that you can add over here. So let's go ahead and do that. Click type color, and then you have to enter the color codes. So finding color codes is pretty easy. So I'm going to show you how you can find the color code that you can use to change the text of the color. So you can just search for CSS color codes on Google, and you will see this website. So click on this website, and here you are presented with various color codes. So if you want the text to be green, for example, just copy this color code over here, go to this option once again and paste the color code here, and when you save, you can see our text color has been changed. So you can do it for any text on your any section in Shopify. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.